Wellness is a comprehensive journey towards a fulfilling existence, integrating various aspects like physical, mental, emotional, social, and spiritual well-being. It is more than simply the absence of illness. It's a dynamic evolution that encourages us to make conscious choices that enhance our lives. By understanding each dimension of wellness, we can take active steps towards a healthier lifestyle. Physical well-being serves as the foundation for overall health. Integral to this component are consistent exercise, a balanced diet, adequate rest, and preventative health care. Engaging in physical activity is essential. It bolsters muscles, increases flexibility, enriches mental health, and fortifies the heart. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic exercises weekly, complemented by 2 sessions of muscle-strengthening activities. Diverse forms of exercise, cardio like swimming and running, strength training including push-ups and weightlifting, as well as yoga for flexibility, ensure a well-rounded routine. A well-rounded diet is equally critical, providing the nutrients necessary for optimal body functioning. Focus on consuming a variety of foods rich in vitamins and minerals, vibrantly colored fruits and vegetables, whole grains like quinoa and brown rice, and lean proteins such as fish, poultry, and legumes. Healthy fats found in items like olive oil and avocados provide essential energy, while maintaining hydration by choosing water over sugary beverages is vital for overall health. Equally important is sufficient sleep. The cornerstone of both mental and physical wellness, adults typically require 7 to 9 hours each night. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, minimizing electronic usage before bedtime, and creating a peaceful sleeping environment will significantly enhance sleep quality. Additionally, preventive health care through regular screenings and checkups helps catch potential issues early, allowing you to follow your healthcare provider's advice about immunizations and examinations. Mental and emotional wellness consists of understanding, regulating, and embracing feelings and thoughts. This aspect fosters resilience, aids in stress management, and nurtures a hopeful outlook on life. By promoting mental clarity and emotional resilience, we can face daily challenges with a positive perspective, enhancing our quest for overall wellness. In conclusion, becoming aware of and nurturing each facet of wellness paves the way for a holistic approach to a vibrant, satisfying existence that flourishes across all dimensions. In today's fast-paced world, managing stress is vital for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Stress, an inevitable part of life, impacts our physical and mental well-being. The way we handle stress determines our quality of life. By adopting effective strategies such as mindfulness meditation, we can nurture our focus on the present moment, letting go of worries about the future or regrets of the past. Practicing deep breathing techniques further aids relaxation, providing an anchor during tumultuous times. By prioritizing tasks and setting breaks within our busy schedules, we can prevent the burnout that often accompanies a hectic life, ensuring we remain energized and engaged in our activities. Emotional intelligence plays an essential role in our ability to navigate stress and connect with others. The foundation of this intelligence begins with self-awareness. Understanding our emotions empowers us to manage them effectively. Through self-regulation, we can harness our feelings rather than be consumed by them, allowing us to maintain a positive outlook. Staying motivated amid challenges and recognizing the emotions of others creates empathy, which deepens our interactions. Strong social skills enhance our relationships and enable clear communication, essential components in fostering support networks that bolster emotional well-being. Thinking positively allows us to transform our mindset and enhance our mental health. By utilizing affirmations, we can build a reservoir of confidence that counters negative thoughts. Expressing gratitude for the small joys in life shifts our focus from obstacles to opportunities. Cultivating a resilient spirit, building meaningful social connections is another pillar of wellness. Engaging in activities with friends cultivates trust and respect, creating a safe environment for sharing vulnerabilities. Community involvement complements our social interactions, enriching our lives through volunteerism and local engagement, which fosters a sense of belonging. Lastly, spiritual well-being encourages introspection and the exploration of life's meaningful pursuits. Setting aside time for reflection through journaling or meditation allows us to discover our core values and aspirations. Engaging in mindfulness practices ensures we remain grounded, while seeking activities that provide purpose enriches our daily experiences. Implementing wellness consistently into our lives can be achieved by setting realistic goals and building daily routines around them. Small incremental changes lead to lasting transformation, ultimately guiding us toward a more balanced and fulfilling existence. Embrace these practices and watch as your resilience in the face of stress grows, positively impacting every facet of your life. Establishing sound eating habits further supports your wellness goals. Planning meals increases awareness, prevents unhealthy choices, and enhances nutritional balance. Keeping hydrated fuels your body's functions, while practicing portion control helps maintain equilibrium in your eating patterns. Sticking to balanced meals ensures that every bite contributes positively to your wellness journey, transforming the way you approach food and its role in your life. In our ever-busy lives, finding pathways to relaxation becomes essential. Techniques such as gradual muscular relaxation provide the perfect antidote to the stressors of daily living. Imagine each muscle melting into the floor, tensions unwinding as you focus on your breath. Yoga and Tai Chi, with their flowing movements and meditative qualities, invite you to reconnect with your body, encouraging mindfulness and tranquility. You can visualize the gentle interplay of breath and movement, creating harmony within. Engaging in artistic endeavors like writing, painting, or performing music serves as a vibrant outlet for creativity, allowing your thoughts and emotions to flow freely onto the canvas or page. Each stroke of the brush or note played resonates with personal expression, lighting up unexplored corners of your mind. Support from friends and family adds another layer of well-being. Picture a group of loved ones gathered together, offering encouragement and understanding. This social support acts as a safety net, allowing vulnerability without judgment. It reminds you that you do not walk this journey alone. There exists a web of connection to lean on when times get tough. To foster mental health, daily practices must find a place within your routine. Commit to moments of meditation or mindfulness where you sit in silence, observing the world around you. Maintain a gratitude journal, recording the blessings you encounter each day. These simple acts carve a space for positivity in your life. Positive affirmations act as gentle reminders of your worth, reshaping the narrative in your mind towards empowerment. In our modern world, a digital detox serves as liberation from overwhelming screens, allowing your mind to rejuvenate. Consider the serenity as you turn off devices and bask in the moment. The environment plays a critical role in mental wellness. Living sustainably aligns your actions with ecological consciousness. Picture a world where recycling rates soar, energy conservation becomes second nature, and eco-friendly products shine bright in homes. Embrace sustainable transportation, visualizing yourself cycling through lush landscapes, reconnecting with nature. Nature itself is a powerful ally in mental health. Imagine walking through a sun-dappled forest, the sound of rustling leaves calming your spirit. Nature reduces stress, uplifts moods, and enhances physical activity, forming a bond that rejuvenates your essence. Lifelong education fuels intellectual wellness. Photographs of books piled high echo a commitment to continued learning. Each class or discussion group sparks new ideas, fostering growth. Artistic expression mirrors this theme as paint or words transform into soothing gestures of creativity. Incorporate these elements into your life, weaving a tapestry of well-being that radiates joy and fulfillment, creating a sanctuary within yourself. Occupational wellness is a cornerstone of living a fulfilling life, and achieving a satisfactory work-life balance is fundamental to this pursuit. The first step towards attaining this balance is to set clear boundaries between personal and professional time. Picture a sturdy fence that separates your daily work life from family activities and personal interests. This separation paves the way for greater focus during work hours and enjoyable quality time during personal hours. Taking regular breaks is equally essential for maintaining productivity. Think of it as a refreshing breeze on a hot day. It rejuvenates your spirit and enhances your performance. A few moments away from your desk can clear your mind, reduce stress, and prevent burnout. Embrace hobbies that ignite your passion and weave them into your profession. Imagine transforming your love for art into creating company marketing materials, merging two worlds into a vibrant tapestry of personal fulfillment and career advancement. As you strive for occupational wellness, seeking growth through continuous learning and skill enhancement is paramount. Picture yourself climbing a staircase. Each step represents a new opportunity to elevate your career. Align your career choices with your values and aspirations to foster deeper contentment in your work life. A harmonious connection between personal values and professional roles invites satisfaction and joy into daily tasks. Developing positive relationships within the workplace plays a crucial role in enhancing job contentment. Envision an office filled with laughter, collaboration, and support, where coworkers share ideas and help one another grow. Establishing professional goals is another powerful way to foster motivation and engagement. Picture the exhilarating joy of ticking off milestones and celebrating achievements with your team. Financial wellness is equally vital in achieving overall well-being. Just as a sturdy roof protects from the elements, effective money management shields against financial stress. Tracking expenses, setting a practical budget, and creating an emergency fund lay the groundwork for a secure financial future. Armed with knowledge gathered from finance courses or articles, you can make informed decisions and confidently navigate your financial landscape. Ultimately, achieving wellness is a multifaceted journey that encompasses physical, mental, emotional, social, spiritual, environmental, intellectual, occupational, and financial health. Embrace the uniqueness of your path. It's a personal voyage of discovery that requires patience and self-compassion. As you continue on this quest for balance, celebrate your progress and savor the small victories along the way. Remember, your well-being is a beautiful mosaic, continually shaped by your choices and experiences.